We are in the presidential apartments in Evanston, Illinois. PTO. Haughton. Used to be a Haughton. Check out these weird buttons it's got. It's got these weird Centrel buttons. They push like Epco. Here's where the old indicator used to be. That's a rough stop, wow. I like the old fan and the tray lighting. Look at this old lobby, very 50s, 60s. That stairway. And before I end the video, I'll show you. There's actually another elevator over here. So there's two elevators, but they're not in like they're not in a bank together. So anyway, that's it.